Hello friends, today is my topic what is biochemistry? Biology plus chemistry. Biochemistry is the application of chemistry to the study of biological process at the cellular and molecular level. It immigrated as a distinct discipline and around the beginning of the 20th century when scientists combined chemistry, physiology and biology to investigate the chemistry of living system. Everything in inside everything inside you is made of chemical. It's not just you, plants, bacteria, fungi, virus, and animals, birds, insects, and fish, mammals, in amphibians. And what chemistry do you do? Digestive food, feel, organize, in sense, process energy, move, reproduce, think, and make and repairing you. An example, sugar, the energy in food converting into glycosis या TCA cycle જેને citric cycle અથવા તો tricarboxylic acidic cycle કહેવાય. Example DNA. How does your DNA make you converting the protein synthesis process? What is biochemistry? The study of the chemical process that occurs inside of living organism. Study of life, living organism, chemical process totally in body and other totally living organism part in the biochemistry. Chemical process. Reaction react with each other to grow a product is called transformation process. Hybrid branch of organic chemistry. Their specialization in chemical process and chemical transformation inside a living cells. Bio plus chemistry is the biology is the bio is living organism and chemistry is a chemical reaction inside all reaction. Metabolism. Metabolism is the chemical reaction in the body's cells that change the food into energy. Our bodies need this energy to do everything from moving to the thinking to growing, and specific protein in the body control the chemical reaction of metabolism. So food molecule divided in the small parts. Metabolism is a two part, anabolism and catabolism. Metabolism. Enzyme, respiratory amino acid and sugar fatty acid and hormones, hair and nails, all totally system, food, coating, protein convert into amino acid, sugar convert and fatty acid totally is converting totally food into the energy. It's alag all everybody is in different type of metabolism and some of all biochemical reaction occurring in the cells. Nitrogen, CO2, phosphorus and sulfur in totally chemical reaction in living organism is the large molecule convert into the small molecule catabolism and give the energy, and small molecule give to the large molecule anabolism and the energy too. It's two. Metabolism is a small molecule and large molecule. Large molecule convert માંથી small molecule and small molecule માંથી convert into large molecule. One is called the catabolism and two is called is anabolism. Anabolism example of solar energy convert into the photosynthesis process. The 6 CO2 carbon dioxide in 6H2 water is the photosynthesis process convert into the glucose C6H12O6 with the 6O2 oxygen ring. The solar energy convert into the photosynthesis process is the anabolism that convert the small molecule into the large molecule. Catabolism example of the release of energy during the cellular respiration process. The glucose plus oxygen energy release and carbon dioxide plus water C6H12O6 the glucose plus 6O2 oxygen convert into the 6CO2 or the 6H2O. It's catabolism. Large molecule convert into the small molecule. in respiration system process. Catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism, energy yielding, and the metabolism. And anabolism is biosynthetic metabolism. The catabolism is an energy source converted into heat, and heat utilize the energy in convert into the ATP, adenotriphosphate, and adenotriphosphate ATP. An energy source is to give the metabolic product. And anabolism is the biopolymer and intermediated in intercellular cellular precursor and external nutrition with anabolism. In catabolism and anabolism are difference. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry बराबर chemistry of life. Biochemists use the physical and chemical principle of explaining biological at the molecular level. And basic principle of biochemistry are common to all living organisms. Aim to describe the explain in molecule term and all chemical process of the living cells, like the structure, function, metabolism, and regulation, and how life began. What is biochemistry? Signification be essential to the whole life science at the common knowledge. Genetics, cell biology, molecular biology, physiology and immunology, pharmacology and pharmacy, toxicology, pathology and microbiology, zoology and botany, agriculture, industrial application and environmental implication. Life has a three requirement: energy, which it must know how to extract, transform, and utilize. Glycosid is the perfect pathway for the preferred pathway for the information of ATP. If the glucose converted into the pyruvate, the commonly system is the simple product and CO2, Na3, and H2O, stored nutrient, ingredient, food, and solar photons, and carbonic reaction, and the pathway of convert into the anabolic reaction pathway. Other cellular work and complex biomolecular and mechanical work and osmotic work. ADP into ATP, HbO4 to remove. Simple molecule which it the must know how to the convert, polymerize, and degrade. Chemical mechanism to the harness energy, drive sequentially chemical reaction, and synthesize and degrade the macromolecules, and maintain the dynamic state, self-assemble and complex structure, and replicate the accurate and efficiency, maintaining the biochemical order versus the outside. Organization of life, element, simple organic compound, monomers, and macromolecules, polymer, and supremo, supramolecular structure, and organelle cells and cell and tissues and organism. Atom, subunit of element and smallest complete unit of the matter, and cannot be broken down or changed by the ordinary chemical and physical means. Atomic structure: nucleus, positively charged proton and neutrally charged neutron, and surrounded by the negatively charged of electron, proton, and neutron, and nucleus. Molecule and compound. Molecule, formed when two or more atoms unite on the basis of the theory of electron structure, can be made of like atom or atoms or different element. Compound, composed of the two or more element and chemical bond hold the atoms and together in a molecule. There are the two types of chemical bond: ionic and covalent bond. Biomolecule is a polymer: carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid. Each of these type of molecule are polymer and that are the assembled from the single unit cell called the monomer. Each type of macromolecules is an assemblage of the different type of the monomer. Carbohydrate, monomer glucose, convert into the polymer cellulose, and supermolecular structure cell wall. Protein, monomer is a amino acid polymer protein subunit, and the supermolecular structure is an enzyme complex. Lipid is a fatty acid monomer, and phosphate is a polymer, and supermolecular structure is a membrane. Nucleic acid is the monomer is a nucleic nucleotide, and polymer is a DNA, and supermolecular structure is a chromatin. Many important of the biomolecular are a polymer and the monomer, polymer and supermolecular structure. Carbs, protein, lipid and nucleic acid. Carb is the glucose into convert into cellulose in the cell wall. Protein is the amino acid, protein subunit in the protein complex. Lipid is fatty acid is the phospho phospholipid in the convert into the membrane. Nucleic acid is the nucleotide and DNA and chromosome system. Two notable in the breakthroughs in the discovery of the role of enzyme as a catalyst and identification of nucleic acid is an information molecule. Flow of information from a nucleic acid in the protein and DNA, RNA and protein. Principal area of biochemistry: structure and function of cellular components is the protein, carbohydrate, lipid and nucleic acid and other biomolecules. Metabolism is the catabolic and anabolic process and its regulation. Molecular genetics, gene expression and modulation, regulation of protein synthesis and how life is replayed. DNA converted to RNA and RNA converted to protein. Topics of this course: acid-base, pH scale and buffers, chemical bonds, amino acid structure and protein, peptide bonds, protein types, structure and function, enzyme, vitamin and coenzyme, and carbohydrate structure and properties, and nucleotide and nucleic acid, and fatty acid and lipids, and hormones is the topic of this course. Each of the main branches have a sub-branches: biochemistry, molecular biology, the chemical reaction of the various systems of the cells, and genetically, the study of the gene and the chemical makeup and DNA, RNA, and messenger RNA and the transformer RNA. Pharmacology is the study of the drug and interaction in the body. Toxicology, the effect of the poisons on an organism. In clinical biochemistry, the study of disease and the changes in the chemical composition in biological process. Agriculture biochemistry, the chemistry it occurs in the plant, animal and microorganism parts. Its biochemistry branches. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.